Welcome to this detailed tutorial on how to paste text without formatting in WordPress. In this guide, you will learn how to navigate through WordPress and perform a plain text paste in a few simple steps. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and entering the address for WordPress. Once you have arrived at the WordPress homepage, take a moment to locate the login area, which you will find in the top right corner of the screen. After accessing the login feature, click on the login option to proceed. WordPress offers several ways to sign in, and in this method you will use the option labeled Continue with Google. Selecting this option will prompt you to choose your desired Google account. Confirm your selection and you will be logged into your WordPress account. As you settle into your dashboard, notice the quick links section where a variety of options are available for site management and design. From among these options, search for the one labeled Edit Site and click on it. Doing so will take you to an interface where you can modify various aspects of your website. Within the site editor, you will now focus on adding a new text block to your page. Look to the top left corner of the interface where you will find a plus icon. Click on this icon to open a small menu of content blocks and choose the paragraph option. This command inserts a blank paragraph block into which you can paste your text. Next, you need to prepare the text you wish to insert into your WordPress paragraph block. Move to the text source or document from which you are copying your text. With your mouse or trackpad, highlight the specific section of text that you want to copy. Make sure that you include only the text that you need, avoiding any extra formatting or unwanted characters. Once you have successfully highlighted the text, press the key combination Ctrl+C on your keyboard. This command will copy the selected text to your clipboard. It is a standard function in many applications and forms the foundation for the upcoming steps. Return now to the WordPress site editor where the new paragraph block is ready. Place your cursor inside the block, ensuring that it is active. To paste the text without burdening it with any formatting attributes, use the plain text paste function by pressing Ctrl+V. As soon as you execute this command, the text will appear in the paragraph block exactly as plain text. Following these steps guarantees a straightforward method to remove any unwanted formatting when inserting text into WordPress. By copying the text from your original source and pasting it directly into a paragraph block without any embedded styling, you maintain consistency within your website's design. Now that you have your text in plain form, you can proceed to fine-tune your website's content using additional WordPress tools as needed. Enjoy the simplicity and cleanliness of your updated page content.